Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam something went wrong while attempting to sign you in. Watch till the end so you don't miss any important step. Let's dive right in. You can do this process through the website or Steam app. Now click on login, but don't enter your credentials to sign in or log into your Steam account. Just click on help icon sign in here. Now select I forget my Steam account name or password. Here you need to enter your email address or a phone number that you registered with your Steam account. I'm going to enter my email here, then clear the captcha. After completing it, click on search, and here they will find accounts that are installed with your Gmail. Now click on send a confirmation to my Steam mobile app, or I no longer have access to my Steam Guard mobile authenticator. If you have enabled Steam Guard mobile authenticator, then click on send a confirmation to your mobile app, or if you don't, then click on the other one. Now text an account verification code on the phone number ending in the phone number, and I no longer have the phone number. I'm going to select it, and I'm going to prefer that email and account verification code on my email, and this is the most comfortable way to reset your password. So I'm going to select it, and then now I'm going to check out my email for the confirmation mail, and here it is. Just click on resume recovery, and it will redirect you to the Steam recovery section where you can reset your password or your email address, or you can remove your Steam Guard mobile authenticator, or you can get any help related to your accounts. Now reset your password, click on it, and as you can see in my account I have added Steam Guard mobile authenticator app, and it is already activated in my mobile phone, and they have sent a code, confirmation code, in my mobile phone app, and I have to enter the code. If you have enabled it, just enter the code that you received in your Steam Guard authenticator mobile app, then reset your password, enter a new password and confirm the password. Then try again to log in to your account with the new password. Make sure you enter the password correctly, and remember your password, don't forget it. If you forget again, then you can recover your account by this step too. Now another step is click Windows plus R key on your keyboard to activate the run command. Now from here write temp and click on Ctrl plus A to select all, and simply delete all these temporary files from your PC. And you can see I have deleted all the temporary file that was available for delete. And again click type on percentage step percentage, then click on OK, and do the same. Click on Ctrl plus A to select all and delete all these temporary files from here. Now you can try to log into your Steam app, but first go to Steam app and right click on the icon, go to properties, and from here type on space hyphen login space, now no react login. Now write this, you can set the target here. Now click on apply, then click on OK. I'm not going to do that, but because my Steam is right now running well, that's why I'm not changing anything for me. You can try this out. And again, another simple way is go to your setting, then search for time and date, or you can go to time and language section. Here is date and time settings. go here and select this and set time automatically. Select it and change your time according to your time zone here, and select your time zone according to your location. You must match the time zone according to your current location. Then reopen your Steam app on your system and try to log in, and hope the problem will be solved by following these steps properly. If you have any type of question or confusion left yet, then drop them in our comments below, and hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon. We will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.